Hi, Ziggy back again from Streamline. I just wanted to take this time to show you around our new demo van for 2024. So starting on the back doors, we've got the Chapter 8 chevrons on the rear. We've got the LED lights on the bumper. So a really clean looking van on the back. So we have the usual Bravo 650 stainless steel pole racks, Line-X flooring on this one. A couple of additions we've done with the demo vehicle is we've gone for Insulated Poly Kit on the roof as well. So it's insulated all the way through. LED lighting in the roof as well as the LED light on the back, which you can point in and out of the van. We've put the controllers in the side panel. The benefit of having the controllers in the side panel is everything is fully operable from the back door, so you don't need to open up the side door to reach for your controllers. Then we've got the stainless steel hose reels, 100 meters on both, and then the standard stainless steel van ports on the rear. So you probably noticed the new graphics on this one. Looks absolutely stunning in my opinion. So standard Bravo 650 as usual. However, on this one we've gone for the marine ply floor. The leisure battery is tucked in out the back there, out the way, and then we've got the drawer storage on the side. Let's take you around to the front. We've got the LED lights in the bumper as well. Again, at night time looks absolutely fantastic. A quick look at the interior. As for all the Nissan Primastars, absolutely stunning finish on these. This one being the automatic. So there it is, there's our new demo van for 2024. If you have any questions or would like any more information on vehicles we've got available, we've got plenty coming through at the moment. We've got Nissan Primastars, we've got Transit Customs due in very soon. Just reach out to us on 01626 830 830 or email sales@streamline.systems. Thanks for watching.